GPT Brain across n-domains, the cognitive intelligence layer of NeuroGov+. How the GPT Brain works across n-domains. The GPT Brain functions as the universal cognitive intelligence layer within the NeuroGov+, advanced AI, enterprise, architecture. Rather than being restricted to a single industry or business function, it can operate across n-domains where n represents an unlimited number of enterprise, scientific, governmental, healthcare, educational, financial, legal, manufacturing, cybersecurity, and research environments. The GPT Brain provides a common foundation for language understanding, reasoning, knowledge synthesis, intelligent search, report generation, decision support, and conversational interaction. Domain-specific intelligence is achieved by combining GPT with enterprise knowledge, policies, data repositories, and the specialized engines of NeuroGov+. The operational workflow begins when a user, application, or intelligent agent submits a request. NeuroGov+ first evaluates the request through its governance, security, policy, compliance, and knowledge engines before forwarding the contextualized information to the GPT Brain. GPT interprets the intent, reasons over the available enterprise knowledge, generates recommendations or responses, and returns its output to NeuroGov+, where additional validation, explainability, compliance verification, audit logging, and workflow orchestration occur. This layered architecture ensures that every response is not only intelligent but also governed, secure, transparent, and aligned with enterprise objectives. Across multiple domains, the GPT Brain adapts dynamically without changing its underlying cognitive architecture. In healthcare, it may summarize clinical literature or assist with medical documentation. In finance, it can interpret financial statements, analyze trends, and generate executive summaries. In manufacturing, it supports predictive maintenance and operational optimization. In education, it creates personalized learning content. In government, it assists policy analysis and citizen services, and in cybersecurity, it helps interpret threat intelligence and incident reports. The intelligence remains consistent, while the surrounding NeuroGov+ engines provide domain-specific governance, terminology, workflows, and regulatory controls. The true strength of the GPT Brain emerges when integrated with the 63 specialized NeuroGov+ enterprise engines. These engines extend GPT beyond conversational intelligence by adding enterprise memory, workflow orchestration, runtime management, business rules, security, compliance, risk management, explainability, executive dashboards, and continuous monitoring. Instead of functioning as an isolated language model, GPT becomes the cognitive core of a comprehensive enterprise AI ecosystem capable of supporting complex organizational processes across virtually unlimited domains. As organizations continue to adopt artificial intelligence, the GPT Brain evolves from being a conversational assistant into an enterprise decision intelligence platform. Combined with NeuroGov+, Retrieval Augmented Generation, RAG, Enterprise Knowledge Graphs, business applications, and high-performance computing platforms such as the HP ZBook with 64 GB RAM for development and testing, the architecture enables scalable, trustworthy, and governed AI solutions. This approach provides a future-ready foundation where new foundation models, domain-specific AI systems, and emerging technologies can be integrated without redesigning the enterprise governance framework. Summary: the GPT Brain serves as the cognitive intelligence engine of the NeuroGov+ ecosystem, providing language understanding, reasoning, knowledge synthesis, and intelligent decision support across n-domains. NeuroGov+ complements these capabilities with governance, orchestration, security, compliance, workflow automation, auditability, and operational intelligence. Together, they create a model-agnostic, scalable, and enterprise-ready AI platform capable of supporting diverse industries while maintaining transparency, accountability, and regulatory alignment. This architecture enables organizations to deploy AI confidently across current and future business domains without compromising governance or operational excellence. About Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is an AI strategist, enterprise technology architect, researcher, and innovator focused on advancing responsible and governed artificial intelligence for enterprise transformation. His work centers on the conceptualization and development of the 63-engine NeuroGov Plus, advanced AI, enterprise, architecture, which integrates cognitive AI, governance, security, compliance, workflow orchestration, and executive intelligence into a unified enterprise platform. Through this vision, Dr. Suri advocates an AI ecosystem in which foundation models such as GPT operate within a transparent, accountable, and scalable governance framework. His research emphasizes model-agnostic architectures that enable organizations to harness artificial intelligence across multiple domains while ensuring operational resilience, regulatory compliance, and long-term sustainability. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri.